Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. Hi. Very good evening all of you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hello. Audio video clear? Yes. So today we will some audio issue. Why it is going down always? Yeah. So today we will do here. I can see Mohana, Mohana, Bhuvana, Lakshmi, Rana, all are present here. So let's start the data structure algorithm unit 7. That question came on 2023 December exam that we are doing now. We did DBMS. So DBMS, all the question we solve in our previous session. You can see the playlist in a playlist. I am adding all this PYQs playlist is there. You can check the PYQs playlist where I am adding one by one classes. Okay, so here this is the first question. You can see the data structure algorithm question. It was a easy question, very simple question. Which of the collision resolution technique involve maintaining the linked list of the collied keys? It is the question of hashing. The question came from hashing. So tell me what will be the answer for this question. First of all, as I am telling always, I will ask you question. After that I will explain, because some students are there, those who are in very hurry. They are coming to the class, they are just checking the question and answer and they are going. They don't have time to watch also. So for them, if you are already know the concept, then definitely just see the question, answer the question. If you are able to do all the question, then you can go. But if you are thinking that no, my concept is required, then you have to stay here till the end so that I can explain you the concept. So this question came from the hashing concept. So tell me what will be the answer, and after that I will tell you in a little bit brief way, like revision way, how the hashing is working. So tell me what will be the answer. Please reply me if any. 3 एंड आएगा क्या? 3 मंथ का प्लान शायद नहीं आएगा. We are going to close our admission, because I believe that whatever now computer science syllabus is there, according to that, if you anyone is going for only 3 months, 2 months, like that, complete course will be not able to cover. Whatever complete course is going on, that is we have started on December 2023 15th December we have started the course, and to now it's already 15th February over. So already so many things we cover. This course I am doing in very much detail. So already so many topics we cover. Now if you are joining, you will face difficulty, and that's why I don't want to waste your money, and that's why I am going to close this admission for the complete course. Those who want PYQs, later we will run the PYQs, but for now It is from my perspective. Still, if students are very much, then we can, but it is my decision is that I am going to close the admission from the 20th, because you will be not able to cover it. Yes, answers are coming. Chaining is the answer, correct. Next question is here. Which of the following symbol table implement the best suited if access time is the minimum? What will be the answer? What will be the answer for this? Best suited access time is minimum. Linear list, search tree, hash table and self-organization list. Which one is the correct answer here? Yes, here also correct answer is hash table. Now I will explain the topic. You can see all the question from hashing. Here 3 question came from the hash table and hashing, and that's why last class also I told that please go through the hashing. Please go through the hashing. I told that hashing concept is very, very important. So you can see here which data structure typically implement in hash table. Which data structure typically used to implement hash table? For hash table implementation, which data structure we are using? That is array. That is none other than array. Now here, before coming to this question, algorithm question, first let me clear your concept on hash, because you can see this question was also in hash table, and previous this question is also in hash table. Here this question is also from hashing. So means from here it is very clear that hashing concept is very important. Although the detailed video of hashing concept is there, as I previously also I shared that you can go to our YouTube channel. You can go to this YouTube. You can search our YouTube channel with the name Unify Study, and then you can come here and definitely subscribe to this channel to check all the playlist. You can come down and you can see here the 45 days crash course. In the 45 days crash course you can see hashing concept, detailed hashing concept. I am not going to do the detail, just I will tell you the concept of hashing. Here you can see the hashing concept is already there. White box binary here. This is the 26 number video. 26 number video, 1 hour class is there for hashing. Those who don't know anything about hashing, I will request go to here, and 26 number video of this course. 97 videos are there. Definitely you can watch. Now I am telling you the concept of hashing, how actually hashing is working, what are the different types of hashing, and how it will work. So for that I am taking a blank page. Let me just overview of hashing, and just like mind mapping you can do in hashing. Your revision will be also done. You can recall the topic. So hashing is what? Hashing is the one type of data structure. As you learn the array, linked list, queue, stack. So data under data structure, hashing is one type of data structure. First of all, in hashing, here we are using the table. There is a table size where we are going to store the data one by one. Table size is there. Normal hashing is going on like this way. There will be some keys, whatever key insertion, whatever key I am going to insert here. At the time of insertion, if I am taking that the hash table size is 10, if I am taking that n equals to 10, that is the hash table size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the hash table size. So hash table is always starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is the hash table size. Now From this hash table size, if I am going to insert something like 11, 12, 13, 14, 22, 26, 23 and so on, this type of data when I am trying to insert, that normally what we are doing the mod operation with the key value 10 mod 11 mod 10. Mod means remainder. So remainder is 1, so that's why 11 is going to store here. 12, if I am doing 12 modulo operation 10, that is 2, so 12 is coming here, 13 is coming here, 14 coming here. 22, now when 22 is coming, where I have to store 22? Here is the problem, this is called collision, because 22 is also going to store here, but it is already blocked. It is already blocked by 12, and this is called that here the collision occur. Whenever the collision occur, we have to go for the collision resolution technique. Collision resolution technique is what? There are different types of collision resolution technique. Means how we can come out from the problem of collision. There is the collision resolution technique. What are the collision resolution technique? First collision resolution technique is linear probing. Linear probing is the first one. What was linear probing? Linear probing means if this is not free, it will go to the next. Next is free. If this is also not free, it will come to the next. Is it free? Then 12 will be 22 is going to place here, because now this place is free. That is called linear probing. Another type of resolution technique is there, that is called chaining method. That question was there. Chaining. What is chaining? Chaining means as 22 is trying to place here, so it will create like a linked list and it will place 22 here itself. If now in this situation maybe 32 came, then also 32 is going to store here. Just like a chain strategy, one by one we are adding the element wherever it is pointing. We are adding some more places like a chain. That is called the chaining method. From where the question came, which of the collision resolution technique involves maintaining a linked list of the colleague key? So it is maintaining a linked list, because one by one I am adding here, as I have shown here, one by one it will be added and it is working like a linked list. Why it is called linked list? Because here I am storing the data, after that here again I am storing the data, here I am storing the next pointer, again here I am storing the data, and here I am storing the next pointer. Like this way this collision resolution is working, and that's why it is the chaining method. Other than that, here you can see quadratic probing. What is quadratic probing? Actually in linear probing we are doing I plus I, whatever means I value is there 1, 2, 3, 4, like this way I value is incrementing. Whenever I am doing the mod operation with n, whatever key is there, key mod operation with the n, then I will add here plus I. Plus I means if as I was doing 11 mod 10, it was coming 1. If 1 is already blocked, then 1 plus 1 2. Then if 2 is blocked, then 2 plus 1 3. Then if 3 is blocked, then 3 plus 1 4. Like this way linear probing is working. But in quadratic probing, instead of I, it is doing I square. Means first it will do plus 1, then after that it will do 2 square, then after that it will do 3 square. Like this way it is working. That is called quadratic probing. Double hashing is more. Double hashing, here two way of hashing is there. Means two hash key we are doing m-n. There is the formula also of double hashing. So double hashing is not working with chaining, because it is asking you of linked list, as it is asking linked list. So linked list is the chaining method where this is the answer. So I am telling you in a brief way so that you can understand the concept what is there. But if you want to learn in detail, then definitely go for this hashing question. That will be clear to you. Now the next question was for the symbol table implement in the base suited if the access time is minimum. The symbol table is the topic of compiler. In the compiler, we are using the symbol table, and symbol table is that where each and every phases of compiler, lexical analysis, semantic analysis, syntactic analysis, everywhere each and every phases symbol table is required. But symbol table is maintaining, symbol table can be represented in all the data structure. Linear list also possible, search tree is also possible, hash tree is also possible, self-organizing means a tree is also possible. But here it is asking you which one access time is minimum. Now linear list, it is coming the concept of complexity. In the complexity concept, linear list means you are linearly trying to access the data. So here access time will be order of n. Wherever my data one by one I have to search the elements as an array. That's why here access time will be order of n. Search tree, if you are thinking about binary search tree, then it will be order of n log n. The complexity concept is very important in the data structure algorithm. Searching time is required n log n, because log n, it is log n, order of log n. By log n, because either I will go for this one or I will go for this one. That's why the log n time is required here for the search tree. But in hash table it is required order of 1 time, because hash table is constant. Through the hash function only directly I can access the data. Just like that, if the table is filled here with some data, like it is the table size is 10, just I will do the mod operation with 10 and directly I can get the data. No need to search one by one. And with the hash table always it is a constant time, that is called order of 1 time, and that is the minimum time, and that's why here is your answer, hash table. Next question was in which data structure is typically used in implement hash table. So at the time of implementing hash table, as I told you that hash table is working like this way, one by one, table wise it is working, right? One by one. So it is actually array. What is table? Why I am telling it's a table. So what is that table? How to represent the table? How we are going to store the table one by one? How we are going to save the element one by one? That is what? That is actually array. Actually I will represent an array. This is array 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the actually array index. So how the implementation of hash table is working, that is using array. Array is the implementation of the hash table, right? So you can see this 3 question was there, only 3 into 2, 6 marks was there only from the hash table, hash concept, hashing concept, hash table concept. So hashing is a very important concept, always I am telling that. So must watch the detailed video of hashing where we practice also some question where I explain the concept also. Must watch that. I hope your concept is clear here in the hashing, right? Yes, Nishu, Khodayaza, Surya, Vinita, Priya, Muthumil, Nivedita, Athu, Kaustubh, Priya. Yes, chalo. Now this is the next question. Which of the following is true? Here it is the question on complexity. They are comparing the complexity of a VL tree and the binary search tree. Here is the complexity of a VL tree and binary search. That is the question here. So what will be the answer? Yes, good noon, Sarvana. Yes, answers are coming. Option 1 is the correct answer. Just now I told you binary search, whenever binary search is working here, and this is the cost here. Here it is, this question also have some problem. The problem is where I am telling you. The problem is that it should be binary search tree. This paper was lots of problem. Last class I took the DBMS class. I want to rectify that problem also. Last class I forgot to mention that one. That is this one. This B. Two operations in the schedule are said to be conflict if they belongs to same transaction. This is also wrong. Actually, this is also wrong. They belongs to different transaction. Actually, it should be different transaction, or it should be same data. Either different transaction or it should be same data. Okay. So different transaction, because why? Whenever we are telling two operation, two schedule are said to be conflict if they are in same transaction, but the database transactions operation are conflicting when it is the read write read, like this, or write. These pairs are there in two different transaction, it is working. So definitely this B option was a doubtful option, although we challenge also, but they did not accept. Although we challenge also. Okay. Now here this question also, now whatever I was telling, that is this one. This one is get PYQs. Binary search. Binary search is order of n. From where? From where you are getting binary search is order of n? Can you tell me? See that here actually binary search is order of login. It is not at all binary search is order of, not at all order of n. Binary search is always order of login. Here this question also, as per my knowledge, if I am not doing wrong, as per my knowledge, because I will explain you also why it is. Because in binary search what we are doing, binary search is working like this way. It is the array. In the array, whenever the array is there, I want to do binary search means what? I want to do binary search means I will try to find out the mid element. And now the key element will be compared with the mid element. If the key element is greater than mid element, then it is going to search right hand side and it will eliminate the left hand part. If the key is less than the mid element, then it is going to search the left hand part, it will eliminate the right hand part. If the key element equals to mid element, then it is going to return the mid element position as I got the data. Means every time n number, total size is n, it's going to be n by 2. Next iteration it's going to be n by 4. Next iteration is going to be again half. So every time the total given size is getting half. So that's why here recurrence relation, as per the recurrence relation, it will come in log n. So it will be not order of n. Order of n is working, order of n is for the linear search. Whenever we are doing linear search, then that is order of n. Why it is order of n in linear search? Because linear search is working one by one. One by one, whenever I am searching, then it is working as linear search. Okay, Nishu, you are telling it's get PYQs. Get PYQs it can be, but whatever I am telling you, tell me that am I wrong? Anywhere can you tell where it is order? Worst case also, order big O means it is worst case. Always remember that also, everyone, that if it is given like omega, omega means you have to think it is best case. Big O means it is worst case. Theta means it is average case. So here the binary search is given as per order big O. So actually it should not be binary search. If in the place of binary search it is written binary search tree, then definitely I will accept it will be order of n. Why it is? In binary search tree it is order of n. Why? Because the binary search tree can be the skewed binary search tree. Like this way, 10. Like if I am drawing here a binary search tree, skewed, right skewed or left skewed binary search tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also a binary search tree, but it is a right skewed binary tree through which you are traversing. You cannot go to the left or right because it is only one-sided traverse going on. In this situation, binary search tree time will be order of n, and that is the worst case situation of binary search tree. So according to the binary search tree, answer can be order of n. But according to the binary search, anyhow, I am not getting the answer by order of n. If you are getting anyone, those who are watching, then definitely you can rectify my, if I am doing any mistake, you can rectify my mistake with exact explanation in the comment section, or if you have any proof. But till now, whatever I learn, according to my learning, I think here was some mistake. It should be binary search tree. AVL tree, that is exactly correct. AVL tree theta log n. Why the AVL tree is theta log n? AVL tree is a balanced binary tree. AVL tree is the balanced binary tree. So what is the difference between normal binary search tree and AVL tree? That I am going to tell you. This type of comparative concept is very important, and these are the concepts I already completed in the data structure algorithm class. I took 1 month time in our paid course for only data structure algorithm. Per day I was taking 2 classes. So there I clearly explain each and every complexity and to relate so that everyone can relate. Just now I told you binary search tree worst case is coming order of n because it can be skewed binary tree like this. That's why worst case can come order of n, and that was the problem of binary search tree. This is resolved by AVL tree because AVL tree is also following the property of binary search tree, but it is doing the balancing factor also. How the balancing factor is working here? Balancing factor is that here the AVL tree maintaining a balancing factor. How the balancing factor will be maintained? Always the left difference between right subtree and left subtree cannot be more than 1. Either it will be 0 or it will be -1 or it will be 1. More than that difference will be not possible. If I am drawing this one, then height balancing is here -1, because here this is height 0, this is 1, so 0 minus 1 minus 1. But if I am adding another one whenever, then it is coming -2. In this situation, it will be balanced like this way. and this tree will be converted like this. Because it will be a RR tree, we will do the rotation and we will make it balance. So anyhow, this type of skewed binary search tree will be not possible in AVL tree. AVL tree will always manage the balance, and AVL tree itself following the property of binary search tree. That's why whenever you are searching in AVL tree, then either any key, whenever you are searching from here, either you will go to the left hand side or you will go to the right hand side. Again you are going, either you are going to left or you are going to right. So same situation is happening n, after that n by 2, then after that it will be like n by 4. So every time the total domain is divided into half, 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 half. So that's why here the average case of AVL tree is log n, that is the complexity. So that's why here your answer will be for AVL tree, that is theta log n, that is correct. And according to me, it should be binary search tree. If it is binary search tree, then it is order of n, that is the correct answer. Okay, this year really I was also totally upset. They did not accept the challenge, and that's why my so many promising student was there, those who missed for 2 marks. 2 marks also, so many students missed it. I think some students are also present here. So really why they did not accept the challenge, I don't know, but it was mistake, definitely it was mistake. So but your concept is, I hope, clear. I hope your concept is clear. So tell me, now the next question is this one. Are you able to relate the concept? See that if you are memorizing the complexity, then you cannot get a good score in exam. Memorizing the complexity is not at all working in this level. In the college level, maybe you are memorizing complexity, that's okay. But when you are in this level, then memorizing complexity will not help you to solve all the problem of data structure algorithm. You have to understand complexity, you have to relate it, you have to think, okay, what is worst case, what is best case, why log n square, why n square, why n cube, when it is coming through the programming or through the algorithm. Every time that is very, very important. You can see here also, this is a question where they are asking which one of these are correct. Tell me what will be the correct answer. Those who are watching till now and those who are thinking that yes, your concept is getting clear day by day, you can click on the like button, subscribe button, and you can comment in the comment section. Definitely that will be, I will be happy to see your comment. Tell me what will be the answer. Yes, answers are coming. I can see Nishu is only answering. I can see only the message from Nishu, Sathia, Manimaran, Sathia, Lakshmi Rana. Yeah, okay, yes. So here your answer is option 4. Now the why the option 4 is the correct answer. See that here HN order, what is the meaning? First of all, how to read it? learn the reading. What is the meaning of this? Hn is big O of Fn means how to read? Opposite direction you should read it. Fn is bigger than Hn. That is the meaning. Fn is bigger than Hn. Is it correct or not? Here it is given, means here you can relate like that. Fn is greater than Hn. Is it correct? Here it is written Gn is greater than Hn. Here it is written Gn is not greater than, no, Gn not. Fn is not greater than Gn. And here it is written Gn is greater than Fn. Okay. Like this way you have to read. First of all, reading is important. How to understand it? What is given here? That is the meaning here. Ki Fn is bigger than Hn or not. Now from here how I can get it? These are very typical data given, right? Typical something is given to you. Now typical something is given means how to get it. For that you can simplify this one. Fn was 3n root n, right? Fn was given 3n root n. Gn was 2 to the power root n log n, and Hn was given n factorial. So to simplify it, because this type of values you cannot relate. To relate these values, if I am taking log with all. So here I am taking log, here also I am taking log, here also I am taking log. By taking log, as you know, log m dot n. If I am writing log m dot n, what is that? Log m plus log n, right? So that's why you can think like that. This is log 3 dot n to the power root n. So what I can write? This is log 3 base 2 and this is log n to the power n base 2. Now here remember, whatever you are doing in computer science, complexity all are log base 2. Maximum are log base 2 because we are working with binary number, right? Here it is not log base 10, it is log base 2. So now you can see here is a very important formula in our log system, and what is always required for calculate your complexities, that is log m to the power n is n log m. I can write like this. So that's why here log n to the power root n, I can write root n log n like this way. So after doing simplification, I am getting this answer, that is log m plus root n log n. I am getting this answer. Okay. Now here this Gn. Same way I am doing simplification by taking log 2 to the power log n. 2 to the power root n log n. So here it is root n log n, because same way I will do the simplification. Here it is what? Log m to the power n. So I can write n log m. So here 2 to the power, in the power total value is there. So this total power I am writing here. After that log, then 2 base 2. Yes. So actually this 2 base 2 is coming means it can be 1. I can think this part as 1, log 2 base 2. So ultimately this is remaining here n root n log n base 2. So I can actually, it is remaining log n base 2 like this. Yes. Now you can see here Hn. N factorial. N factorial is log n factorial. I am taking log everywhere. So always remember that log n factorial is very close to n log n. Mathematically we can prove it. for now you can remember that it is very close to n log n. Why? Because n factorial means what? N multiply n multiply n multiply. It is actually n multiply n minus 1, then n minus 2, then n minus 3. Like this way it is working, right? So it will be very close to n log n. Not exactly, very close to n log n. We can write n factorial. So now relate it. Ki which one is higher? Which one is higher? Yes. So here we can see this is n log n. This is root n log n. This is actually coming root n log n. And this is what? Log base 3 base 2 means it is actually near about 1.5. It is a constant. It is a constant, right? Log 3 base 2, it is a constant. After that it is coming root n log n base 2. So now tell me, which one is greater? Which one is greater? Definitely n log n will be the greater. So definitely Hn is the higher one. Hn is the higher one. And after that you can see this one is constant, that is 1.5 plus root n log n, and this one is root n log n, after that log 2 base 2. So now here come to the option. In the option, first option, Fn is greater than Hn. No. Here just now we got Hn is the highest one. Hn is the highest one. So that's why this is wrong. Here also it is given Gn is greater than Hn. No, that is wrong. Hn is the highest one. I already got it. Now here it is the comparison between Fn and Gn. Here now comparison between Fn and Gn. Which one is greater? Gn is greater or Fn is greater? That is the comparison here. Now come to this. Gn is coming what? Gn is actually coming root n log n, after that log 2 base 2 like this. And this is coming root n log n base 2, and this is log 3 base 2. So which one is greater? Here we can say Gn is greater than Fn or not. So that's why here this is correct, that order of Gn is greater than Fn. That is the reason here answer will be this one. Because this two though definitely we can eliminate, this two definitely not my answer, because here definitely Hn is greater than Fn. This is also Hn is greater than Fn. Now between Gn and Fn whenever we are comparing, then Gn is actually coming 3 n root n, and this is 2 root n then log n. So it is little bit bigger than Fn. So that's why we can say Gn is bigger than Fn, and that will be the answer. Okay, got it? Clear? Is that clear? Now this question was a drop question. They accept it, that they accept this challenge. But here this concept is very, very important. Gn is order of Fn. Gn is no. Here Gn is bigger than Fn. Gn is bigger than Fn. Gn is order of Fn, we cannot write here. No, that is we cannot write. So we can write this one. Gn is bigger than Fn. That is we can do. Here this question was wrong because it is b minus is given, but for this type of expression, how to evaluate the expression? If I am taking some value like this one, maybe here I am taking 8, a random value I am taking, then minus. How to do? Actually these are the two operator, then operand. Then again this is the 2 operator, then this is star, then again this is the 2 operator, then this is star. Then third option is correct. No, third option is not correct. Third option is telling what? Third option is telling Fn is not bigger than Gn. Here the third option is telling Fn is not bigger than Gn. Actually what is happening, you see here. Here Fn and Gn, whenever I took log both sides, here what is the value actually coming? If actual value was coming like this, right? If you see very carefully, actual value was coming like this. Now if you are relate this one, this is log 3 base 2 plus root 10 log n, and this is root 10 log n base 2 multiply into log 2 base 2. That is coming here. Yes or no? Right? Log 2 coming here. Because this is log and here 2 to the power. So to the power value is coming here. Then log 2. Like this. So that's why what it is just like same. So whenever I am comparing big O, there is a meaning. There is a meaning of big O. In depth if we are coming, then I am telling you what is the meaning of big O and small o. I am telling you so that you can understand. Here there are some difference. Big O, whenever I am writing Fn is big O of Gn, the meaning is that Gn is greater or equals to Fn. That is the meaning of big O. But if I am writing Fn is small o of Gn, means it is only Gn is greater than Fn. Equal to part will be not there. There is a difference between this small o and this is big O. Same way, whenever I am writing omega, omega means less or equals to. If I am writing small omega, then it is only less than. So big O means equals to part is included there. That is tightest upper bound. This is, we are telling tightest upper bound, and here the equal to part is also there. As the equal to part is also there, that's why here actually we can say Gn is greater or equals to Fn. In more depth that is coming actually, Gn is greater or equals to Fn. And here it is telling that Fn is not greater or equals to Gn. So I cannot say, because Gn and Fn is actually very close. Gn and Fn is actually very close because it is coming 1.5 then root 10 log n. And this is coming exactly like root 10 log n. We can very close to root 10 log n. So this is also very close to root 10 log n. This is also very close to root 10 log n. And that's why actually we can say that Gn is greater or equals to Fn. And it is telling not, and that's why it is wrong. Got it? So here each and everything is very important. Nowadays questions are coming in more depth, where you have to go in more depth. And that is the reason those who are asking me, ma'am, why I will go for 1 month learning, I will go for 2 month learning, I will go for 3 month learning. Trust me, now whatever exam pattern, now how the questions are coming, especially in computer science, if you did not learn anything, with 1 month or 2 month learning, you will be not able to crack the exam. It's the fact, it's true. It's true. You have to do very in-depth learning, very much in-depth study, and that's why I have started my course on 15th December, and that's why I took the decision to close it. Understand it, it is fact. I am telling very bitter truth maybe. I am not giving you anything like you can do it or something. but it is the fact. Okay, I hope Nishu now your doubt is clear. I hope so. Thank you. When some student is there like this way who are asking more questions, then I am also getting more energy to explain you the concept. So now you see here this question was dropped, but I am taking an example of with 8 or something. Let's see what we can do. So here I can do like this. I can put some brackets here. By putting the brackets, it will be easy for you to do these operations. How to do that? Here 4 multiply 3, it will be just like that, 4 multiply 3. So here your answer should be 12. You are getting here 12. Here your answer should be 5 multiply 2, that is 10. Then after that plus, then 8, then minus. Then what it will be? It will be 12 plus 10. 12 plus 10 means that is 22. Then 22 and 8, here is minus. So now I have to do 22 minus 8. Then my answer should be here. But that is 22 minus 8 means here my answer will be 14. Right? Here according to that. Am I doing correct or not? 14, 15, 16. Yes. So then my answer is coming 14. So in the place of B, if I am taking 8, then my answer will come 14. But the question was given wrong. Question was given B, and that's why they dropped the question. But although we are preparing for the next time, that's why from the drop question also we can learn the concept. This is the concept how to okay, so that's my daughter came. So that's why you have to evaluate the data like this way. So here was another question. This question will take some time to do this. They are isometric of this tree. So this some question I am leaving for now, as previously also some database question, one database question was there. Other than that, all other question we did, because red black tree concept I did not explain to you. So what is red black tree, how red black tree is working, that concept is not done in YouTube till now. From my end I did not explain. I will try to upload a video on red black tree so that you can understand this concept. Other than that, all the data structure questions we explain in this class. Next class, as I told, I will go for operating system. Next class we will do operating system. That can be maybe tomorrow. I will be not able to take class tomorrow. I have to go for some urgent work. Day after tomorrow I will take operating system. Okay, tomorrow I will take class, sorry. Tomorrow I will be there. Day after tomorrow I will be not there. So tomorrow I will take operating system. Day after tomorrow I will be not there. Okay. Bye everyone. So see you again next class. I hope you learn something and you learn in depth, and my class is always in depth. I am not going in shortcut. I really don't like the shortcut. So those who are listening till now, thank you so much. I hope you are getting clear idea how to prepare. Preparing through PYQs is not like shortcut. Preparing through PYQs means also going in depth of the concept, understanding the concept in depth, that analyze the question in depth, so that next time when this type of questions are coming on, from this topic questions are coming, then you can attempt the question properly with confidence and you can get the score. Doing shortcut, there is no shortcut of success. always remember. Okay, bye everyone. See you again tomorrow 3 p.m. Those who are interested to take our course, I am going to end this tomorrow. By today, if you are trying to take the course, you can purchase this course. That is this one, paper 1, paper 2 and computer means combo course are there, so you can go for it. Okay, bye everyone. You can see the pricing. Here is our pricing. This is 4-month planning. For paper 1 2499, paper 2 computer science 4499, paper 1 and 2 both if you are taking, then 5999. So if you are interested, you can take it now, because we are going to close the admission. It will be good for you only if you are taking it early. Bye. Bye everyone.